Alright, ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and success? Spoiler alert, it's not just luck. There's a powerful visualization technique that's been quietly fueling their success, and I'm about to let you in on it. Neville Goddard cracked the code on how to supercharge your subconscious and align your energy with prosperity. Think you're just daydreaming? Think again. This is next level stuff. Ready to learn how to make your dreams a reality? By the time we're done here, you're going to have the power to manifest money, success, and abundance like a true master. So stick around until the end, because this visualization secret is about to change everything. Let's get into it. So, what's the deal with visualization? Basically, it's using your imagination to turn your dreams into reality. Imagine this. You vividly picture your desired outcomes, emotions, and sensations as if they're happening right now. Doing this gets your subconscious ready to notice and grab opportunities that match your goals. And guess what? Science backs this up too. Studies show that visualization can boost athletes' performance and spark creativity in various fields. We'll dive into the details later, but just know this. This technique sends a strong signal to the universe, lining up your energy with your dreams. But how does this really work? When you visualize your goals clearly, you're basically reprogramming your brain to focus on those outcomes. Our brains are really good at processing visual info. This ties into the law of attraction, which says that your thoughts, whether positive or negative, bring similar experiences into your life. So, by focusing on positive outcomes, you start attracting success and fulfillment. Visualization isn't just about seeing your goals, it's about feeling them too. When you totally immerse yourself in the experience of your desires, your brain starts to think it's actually happening. This not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you more likely to take actions that lead to your goals. So, you might be wondering, does visualization really work, or is it just a bunch of hype? Well, good news. Science backs this up. Ever heard of mental rehearsal? It's a big deal. Imagine a study where participants were asked to improve their piano playing skills. One group practiced physically, another just visualized practicing, and the last group did nothing. Astonishingly, the visualization group improved almost as much as the physical practice group. Crazy, right? This shows that just by imagining the action, you can train your brain almost like you're actually doing it. Here's where it gets cool. Studies in the journal Neuropsychology found that visualization lights up the same brain regions as real physical actions. So, when you're vividly imagining your success, your brain's gearing up to make it happen for real. It's like your mind is practicing, setting the stage for you to nail it in real life. Dr. Joe Dispensa is a big name in this field. He's a neuroscientist who's done a ton of research on how visualization and meditation affect the brain. In his book, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, he explains that by combining visualization with meditation, you can rewire your brain and ditch negative habits. Basically, you can create a new, better version of yourself. Dispensa's research shows that when you visualize with a detail and emotion, you activate your brain in the same way as if you were actually living that experience. Using fancy imaging techniques like fMRI, he's shown that this practice creates new neural pathways. It's like training your brain to believe in your success. A study in the Journal of Consulting Psychology found that people who visualize their goals get a big boost in motivation and confidence. Visualization creates a mental blueprint of success, making it easier for your brain to follow through. It's like giving your brain a map to your dreams. Before diving deeper into visualization, and more specifically, the Neville Goddard's method and how to practice it, let's talk about a crucial step: writing down your wishes and goals. Why is this so important? Writing down your desires helps clarify them, making them more concrete and tangible. It reinforces your commitment and intention, making your goals more real. This simple act of writing also engages multiple parts of your brain, strengthening the neural pathways associated with your goals. Ever heard the saying, out of sight, out of mind? It's true for your goals too. When you write down your goals, you're making a commitment to yourself. This act signals to your brain that these goals are important. Plus, it serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards, helping to keep you focused and motivated. When you write something down, several parts of your brain light up. The act of writing involves the visual, motor, and cognitive processes. This multisensory engagement helps to solidify the information in your brain. In other words, writing down your goals makes them more memorable and real to your subconscious mind. Keeping a manifestation journal can be a game changer. In your journal, describe your goals in vivid detail. Write as if you've already achieved them. This technique not only helps you visualize more clearly, but also reinforces the belief that your goals are attainable. It's like telling your subconscious mind, this is happening, so get ready. Writing down your goals also allows you to connect emotionally with them. When you put pen to paper, take a moment to really feel what it would be like to achieve your goals. This emotional connection is crucial because it fuels your motivation and keeps you driven, even when things get tough. Another benefit of writing down your goals is that it provides a reference point. You can go back and review what you've written, reflect on your progress, and make adjustments if needed. This process of reflection helps you stay aligned with your goals and can give you a confidence boost as you see how far you've come. Research supports the power of writing goals. A study conducted by Dr. Gail Matthews, a psychology professor at Dominican University in California, found that people who wrote down their goals, shared them with a friend, and sent weekly updates were 33% more successful in achieving their goals compared to those who merely formulated goals in their heads. Incorporate writing into your daily routine. Spend a few minutes each morning or evening writing about your goals. This practice keeps your goals fresh in your mind and reinforces your commitment to achieving them. Over time, this daily writing habit can significantly enhance your visualization practice and help manifest your desires. Your brain starts believing it's real, especially when you personalize and add your unique touch to it. Here are some powerful money and wealth-focused affirmations to get you started. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am a magnet for financial abundance. Wealth flows to me in unexpected ways, and every day, I am becoming more financially secure. My suggestion is to personalize this for your own journey, and I'd love to hear yours. Your positive energy matters to me, and I eagerly await reading your comments. So please, leave a comment below with your personalized wealth affirmation, starting with I attract wealth because, or my financial abundance grows because. Now, let's dive deeper into visualization and more specifically, the Neville Goddard's method and how to practice it. Goddard's technique shines because it's not just about seeing your goals, it's about fully immersing yourself in the experience of your desires. When you vividly imagine and feel your goals as if they are already happening, your brain begins to believe that these experiences are real. This is based on the concept that the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and reality. By feeling your desires, you send a powerful message to your subconscious that these goals are not just possibilities, but actualities. When you immerse yourself in the feelings associated with achieving your goals, you naturally boost your confidence. This increased confidence makes you more likely to take the necessary actions to turn your visualized goals into reality. For example, if you visualize and feel the success of running a thriving business, you will be more motivated to take steps towards business planning, networking, and execution. The emotional experience of already having succeeded gives you the courage and drive to pursue your goals relentlessly. One of Goddard's key teachings is the importance of specificity. Vague goals lead to vague results. To effectively use his technique, you must be clear and specific about what you truly want. This clarity helps your subconscious mind to focus on and work towards your goals. For instance, instead of having a general desire for financial freedom, specify the amount of money you wish to earn, the lifestyle you want to live, and the exact nature of the financial freedom you seek. Specific goals create a more precise and powerful vision that your subconscious can act upon. Doubts are natural, especially when aiming for significant achievements through visualization and manifestation. They often appear as negative self-talk, skepticism, or general uncertainty. However, overcoming these doubts is crucial for successfully applying Neville Goddard's techniques. First, recognize your doubts. Acknowledge thoughts like, "This won't work for me," without judgment. Identifying these doubts is the first step to addressing them. Reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. Instead of thinking, "I can't achieve this goal," tell yourself, "I have the resources and abilities to achieve this goal." Use positive affirmations like, "I am capable and deserving of success," to shift your mindset from doubt to confidence. Build confidence through small wins. Set and achieve small, manageable goals to create a track record of success. Each achievement reinforces your belief in your ability to reach larger goals, gradually reducing doubts. Consistency is key. Engage in daily practices like writing down your goals, visualizing them, and repeating affirmations. This strengthens the neural pathways associated with your desires. Sometimes, doubts can be overwhelming. Seek support from a community or mentor. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who believe in visualization and manifestation. Sharing experiences and hearing about others' successes can provide encouragement and reassurance. Consider joining online forums, attending workshops, or engaging with a manifestation coach for guidance and support. Thank you for joining me on this journey to overcome doubts and harness the power of visualization. Remember, doubts are natural, but with the right strategies, you can turn them into stepping stones toward your dreams. Keep recognizing and reframing negative thoughts, celebrate your small wins, and stay consistent with your practices. Believe in yourself and trust the process. Your dreams are closer than you think. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and techniques to help you achieve your goals. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, sharing your experiences or any questions you have. Together, we can create a supportive community of dreamers and achievers. See you in the next video.